we have not started this button. So please pull the pedal. Close. Take it back. Pour up here. So now the air is out, but not yet out. Pour everything. Come back again. Pull the same pedal. Close. Pour everything. Now I'm sure that the air is being took out. Have you understood?
Yes.
Do you remember the number I told you to write?
755.
Do you remember the number I told you to write?
Yes.
It was which number?
755.
What is the number right now?
757.
What is the number now?
757.
Can you guess what the number represents?
The cups that have gone out.
Hmm?
The cups that have been sold out.
The number represents the cups that are being sold
Out.
out. Now, the last number was
755.
755. Have you seen how someone can cheat and take your money? Or you have not seen it? The more you pull the pedal down, it counts a cup. Alright? I'm teaching you how they are going to steal your money, or how they are going to be in the business, and you feel like you are contented, but in the actual state they are taking your money. She pulled the pedal. She pulled the pedal. That's how to be 2. 5 plus 2.
7.
How many times did they do?
2.
Have you seen that?
Yeah.
The number had to be what?
9.
It had to be 9, not 7. But because she pulled the pedal and the other one pulled the pedal, the machine will only count 1 cup. Have you understood?
Yes.
When she pulled the pedal and the other one pulled the pedal, the machine counted only what?
1.
But the ice cream was divided.
Yeah.
Are you getting the system?
Yeah.
So be wise enough. How are you going to count the costing? Count the costing based on the cups and based on the powder you have and based on the ingredients you have. Make what we call a POS system, or make what we call stock monitoring. How am I going to balance my business? Someone told me. This is very simple. I will need a bus spoon.
Bus spoon.
I need tissue. My hand is.
Tissue there.
I feel uncomfortable.
Teacher.
Where's the bus spoon?
There.
So I'll drag all this one to the machine. The last thing I did not tell you, we said 3 out of 5. 3 out of 4 has to be around here. You see this line? So if you put the ice cream and comes on the top until here, you're going to be creating over channeling. Why? You see the machine is rotating inside. So the machine is not having where to breathe. Why? Because you made the bowl full. So however much this is small, it's small, that's why you don't see ice cream coming on the top. But when you go for these people that are selling ice cream outside, they make it inside the machine until here. Why? Because they are going to be selling at more people. We get it? Now you see this side? This side is more much than the other side because the yield was a little bit much due to the scale. That's why you see. So if we had made more, it would be even almost full. You get it? Okay. I want us to know this very fast. Now, it's 757. 757 are the cups I've sold over. How am I going to balance my business? I'll get 757, then I'll ask someone to make another ice cream base. Right? I have to know what is the grams is using. We use the 500, right? So I use the ratio of 1 to 2. That means if I use a 500, I have to get a yield of which is 1,000. A total of 1,000 and what? 500. 1,000 and
500.
Are you with me?
Yes.
My ice cream cone is sold at 5 dirham. My ice cream cup is sold at 2 dirham. You get it?
Yeah.
Cone is for 1 dirham. Then tin is for
5 dirham.
tin is for
2 dirham.
okay, we say 5 dirham. Or I can say 5 dirham is a cone. 10 dirham is a cup. Alright?
Yeah.
But remember, I use the ratio of 1 to. I have 1,500. I have to be in a position to know how much does a cone carry. If the cone carries, for instance, 20 grams, alright? I'll have to know each day how many cones has that person sold. And I'll have to know how many cups has that person sold. How? He's going to write down every cup going, he has to state it on the receipt. 1 cone, 2 cone, 3 cone, 5 cone, 3, blah blah, name it. For instance, he sold 5 cones, right? I'll get 5 times 5 dirham. The answer is what?
25.
25, alright? But remember, each cone is equivalent to 20 grams, alright? So I'll get 20 times 5 is equal to
100.
100. Is it 100?
Yes.
100 minus 1,500.
1,400.
1,400. 1,400. Then, for instance, he sold the other cup. He sold 10 cups. I get 10 times 10. That is what?
100.
100. But each cup is equivalent to 200 grams. 200 times 10.
2,000.
2,000. So you see it's impossible. Are you seeing that? Okay, we can say we make it around, okay, each cup is equivalent to around 80 grams. 80 times 10.
800.
800. Is it?
Yes.
So 800 plus the money we sold. 800 minus 1,400.
800 minus 1,400.
600.
600. So I'll be having 600 in the machine,
In the machine.
alright? And I'll be having here what number? 10 plus 10? 20. 20 plus this digit, which is 757. It has to be 777. So if I see there is any additional fee, what do you think I have to think? He added some. No. It will depend on the number I have. If it was 2, it's right. Do you know why is the 2 coming? The first one was 755.
5.
When we wanted to remove the air, of course we have to remove it, right? 1 had to go, right? Followed by
The second.
the second one. So, of course you'll be having the number which is 7, 7, and 9. You get it? 7, 7, 9. You get it? But don't forget what we said. You can pull this pedal and sell the other side. This takes you back to the knowing the grams of each product. You get it? So you don't have to give him this. You have to have it in secrecy. What you have to do when you are holding this business, call him on a video call. Okay, call me whenever you're going to be cleaning the machine. You get it? as it's going, you say, I want to see how is it in the operation. Is it okay? Blah, blah, all that. For your issue, you are looking for only this number. When you get the number, it will easily tell you how is the business running. We get it? Do you know how to do stroke monitoring now? Can you manage your business even if you are not there?
Yes.
So we started at around 4:50. We shall check this machine around 5:30 or 5:20. Right? I know it will be somewhere. Any question for me? Any question for me? Any question for me? Yes, ask.
This one.
What is the function of the middle paper? Later you will know. Okay? Very soon you are going to know that one. Okay? So those who want to eat. Those who want to use mobile, use for your mobile. Those who want to use themselves.